Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2012 Ford F-150 in an FX4 trim, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below, pocket-style fender flares on the front and rear, a bit of a lift installed, as you can probably tell, giving you some greater height with some bigger wheels and tires. It does have a color-matched fitted hardtop tonneau cover, so you can keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside of the way, revealing a custom subwoofer setup underneath the rear seat here, and in the middle you have two cup holders, a 110 volt power outlet, 12 volt power outlet, and the headrests do have screens in them so you can keep your rear passengers entertained. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat with 2 memory buttons, as well as having power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 132,457 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your gauge mode, trip A and B information, fuel economy, truck apps such as off-road status and trailer status, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and then information such as warnings and service info, stuff like that. Moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, CD, SIRIUS, auxiliary, and I believe that's it. So you do have some options there. Above that, shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your traction control shut off, hazards, your media controls, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, trailer brake controller, and on the right, you have a 12 volt power outlet. And moving down, you have another 12 volt with a cigarette lighter, not that you have to use it, USB and auxiliary for hooking up your audio, and then you've got your main shifter with SelectShift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button. Then you've got 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside. You have the looks like the remotes and headphones for the rear media screens, and a 12 volt power outlet right there. But then, looking back, you also have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.